What's going on, family? It's Coach CJ with another HyperDrive live recapping our live trading session that we had this morning, September 5th, 2023. All right. The market was honestly pretty stale today, pretty slow. I was expecting more volume just because we had a holiday yesterday. There wasn't much trading going. But I will peek at yesterday because although we weren't trading, it was a really nice move that made it to TP2. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. As you know, the green lines on my chart represent the start of the New York session and then the start of our trading session. And during that time, I only look for one entry point and one entry point only, and that's going to be our triangle entry point. Now, I did get an alert on my phone that this happened, and it did confirm. However, it wasn't fully in alignment, so I didn't take this buy. And what do I mean by that? Is that we're blue on the top now, but we're still red on the bottom at the close of this candle. So I didn't take this buy at all. So that led us to our actual live trading session, which started at 9:20. And at the start of our session, we were in alignment for buys, and so we were waiting on our entry point. We were waiting on the J4 to get touched, and it did get touched here at 9:35. And when that happens, we want the market to obviously go up. And now we use the bottom of this candle, which happened to be our HDL, as our close line. So when this candle came and closed below, we closed out this buy early because it invalidated this position. So we took about a 37-point loss depending on entry. I know when I totaled up my loss for that position, it was 37 points. So somewhere around there, the team, we took those that were on my live session, we took a loss together there. And then we got a triangle for the triangle entry. However, this also, just like this triangle, wasn't quite in alignment. We were red on top now because of the, you see the red here, but we were still blue on the bottom at 9:35 when that candle closed. So didn't take this selling opportunity, but I did take this one, the flip entry, when we actually got in alignment. And this did go and hit TP1, which is 50 points. Our TP levels are every 50 points. So we did end up hitting TP1 looks like about 30 minutes or so later. And again, at this point, I was already telling the team, like, yo, this market is stale. We can clearly see we're not getting volume. We're not getting one direction. We're not getting what we're used to. We're not getting what we know what we want to see happen during this time. And when that starts to happen, we just remove ourselves from the market, and we just wait on the next day because we know what we want. We know the type of behavior that the market should be giving us. So at this point, we were rounding out our session, and I did say if we came back to the J4, I will take an entry. And this candle came really, really close to touching it, but it didn't touch. So I wasn't in this drop. If that was to touch there, it would have been, I believe, it would have been a TP1 easy, but it didn't touch, so I didn't take it. However, this one here did touch right at 11 a.m. And for those of you guys that know me, I like to be done trading by 11. So I was like, all right, I'm going to go ahead and take one more shot since it's right there. And I used this high as the close line, and this candle here closed above. So that ended up being like a 12-point loss for me. So all in all, pretty much an even day on the market. Some students actually used this as the close line, and then they were able to go and actually hit TP2 on this trade. But me, I used the close line on the first touch, and so I ended up taking a 12-point loss. I didn't take this triangle here, which would have worked out just fine. I didn't take this triangle either, which would have worked out just fine. At this point, after early closing out, and again, like I said earlier, already knowing what type of market we were sitting in, that we were going to pretty much be consolidated. As you can see, we haven't really gone anywhere. We had this nice drop here in the afternoon, but I like to be done trading. I don't use trading as a job. I look for what we want, what HyperDrive gives us, and then we get in and get out, and we keep it stupid simple like that. So that was it. That was pretty much our live session for today. It's Tuesday, September 5th, so we have plenty of time left in the week. Another session, same time, same place tomorrow on tradestyle.co. So if you want to get locked in with us, click the link in the description. You can literally be in the session with us tomorrow. Not only being in the session with us, but you'll get access to this indicator, and you'll get access to the course, which again, I can't stress enough, which teaches you how to do this on your own. So you don't necessarily need to use the live sessions as a crutch. You come to the live sessions because you like the community environment. You like being able to build your trading account with like-minded individuals and have guidance of myself and the community towards your success. But the ball's in your court. If you want to join us, click the link in the description, tradestyle.co. Go ahead and sign up there, and I'll see you in class on Wednesday. Till then, stay patient, stay consistent, and your breakthrough will come. Peace out.